We are the indices students. Let us provide a solution to this problem that we are given. It reads the square root of x, into the square root of x equals 128. We are the indices students. Now, just watch till the end to provide a solution to it. Now, the first step to do here, since we are given the square root of x into the square root of x, then into the square root of x, then this equals 128. The first step, we are going to square both sides. Then, if you square both sides, it means this square root, we are going to get rid of this square root, the first one. That is x into the square root of x into the square root of x equals 128 raised to the power 2. Okay? Now, from this point also, we are going to square again. Okay? We are going to square again for us to get rid of this other square root. Now, if you square again, you square both sides again. Square both sides again. Then if you square again, this is what you're going to have. Now, you have x with x into with x. Then this becomes 128. This will be 2. Now we have, let's square both sides again and see. Now we have square both sides again. Now it means, remember, this square is affecting this x, meaning this becomes x squared into, to get rid of this square root, it means this square comes to this square root. Now what you mean is x here that remains, then it's x. Okay, then equals 128 raised to the power. Remember, this is a power, this is also a power. Then we prepare two powers for us to our answer and giving you 4. Now, we multiply. If you multiply x squared times x, this is giving you x raised to the power 3 with x. This is equals 128 raised to the power 4. Now, we are going to square again, okay? You say square again. Square again. On both sides. If you square again on both sides, we have x is equal to 3 with x. Then we square again on both sides. This is equal to 128 raised to the power 4. Now we have square both sides again raised to the power 2. Now, it means to get rid of this square root, it means this square cancel this square root. Okay? Now, but remember this x raised to the power 3, we are going to use it to, this square is affecting this x raised to the power 3, meaning this becomes x raised to the power 6. Okay? X raised to the power 6. Then, this square root, this square has cancel this square root. What you mean here is x. This equals 128 raised to the power law of indices. This is a power. This is another power. We multiply two powers, giving you 8. Okay? Now, we multiply all to x raised to the power 6 times x. This is x raised to the power 7. X raised to the power 7 equals 128 raised to the power 8. Okay? Now, for you to find the value of x, now what are you to do? We are going to divide. Meaning we are going to raise 1 upon 7 on both sides of the equation. We say raise 1 upon 7 as a power on both sides. Meaning we have x raised to the power 7. Now we are going to raise it to the power of 1 upon 7. Then this is equal. We have 128 128 raised to the power 8. Now we are going to raise it also to 1 upon 7. Okay? Now from this point, we know this 7 cancels this 7. Now it remains x equals. Now we have 128 raised to the power 8 upon 7. Okay, to multiply also. Now from this point, we know 128 is also equals to raised to the power 2 raised to the power, meaning if you multiply 128 up to 6 times, you're going to have 128 up to 6 times, right? Now, this becomes x equals 128 raised to the power 8 raised to the power 8 upon 7. Now, this becomes x is equal, instead of 128, we use this one. Okay, 7. Okay, this is equal 7. 2 raised to the power 7 gives me 128. Now, this becomes 1. Instead of 128, we use 2 raised to the power 7. Then we raise it to 8 divided by 7. Now, if you use power law of indices also from this point, we know this 7 cancels this 7. Now we have x then becomes 2 raised to the power. And we know 7 cancels 7, what it means is 8. Now we see x is equals 2 raised to the power 8, meaning you are going to multiply 2 up to 8 times, meaning 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, up to 8 times, then you are going to have 256. 256 as your answer. It means the value of x that we have to find becomes 256 respectively. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like, for us to be in my community. Love you more.